Hello everyone, Hatem Ali for Objection back again with the news as we always promised. Today I'm gonna show you complete comparison between the Ninebot Pro and Plus, including the speed tests, okay? So keep watching my videos and I always tell you about what's the right, what's the wrong. Why should you choose this or should you choose this? Which one is better for you? Okay, I'm gonna tell you about minuses and the pluses, okay? Let's start with the plus, okay? Listen, the shape for the Plus is more sexy than the Pro, to be honest with you. See here, stack looks stupid, little bit like Nick for Swam. And here is beautiful, looks robot way. And here how fat it is, how sexy. Here's Zen. Here's shape for Pro, more luxury, Plus, more luxury, as you see. Here shape for the Pro, little bit silly, you know. Not so luxury like the Plus. Okay, here I have light. It's really sexy, this light. And by the way, you can adjust this blue, red, any color you want. Here we have just like this. We don't have any lights here. Okay, if we turn around, here you found here there's the light here is like lid. You got me? Here the light is little bit almost same. Here the medallion is like this way. Here the medallion is going down, which is meaning raining here may enter, raining here no way. So we'll go down. Anyway, I don't advise you to ride it in the rain, you know. Okay. If we talk about wheels, if you see here, the wheels here have like marks here and like this. Here wheels is just a normal here, you got me? Soft. Here wheel have like this, see? It's like catching, you know? It's like aggressive thing. The gum is here, as you see. And from the other side also, which is meaning raining and off-road, this one is gonna be better than this one. Okay. Here, as you see, this is 11-inch wheel. This is 10.5 or 10-inch wheel. I don't remember. So as you see here, he's more high. He's more high than here. Okay. I have here remote, which is mean I can press dog mode. He will follow me. I can connect camera and snap. I can manually let him follow me. Here, just by application and phone. Here in Ninebot Pro, just in your application phone, you can let him follow. You can do manually follow you. So here I have remote, and this is more beautiful thing. Okay, I have in the Plus. Look, guys, you know, anywhere in the world, when the company creates a new model, sure he should have more option than the oldest model. Here we have in the Plus, we have here and here. They add extra multization and sensors, which is meaning off-road better than Pro. Actually, guys, I try Pro. Listen to me. They are both of them. They are no compare with mono wheel. Listen to me. If you want the one for off-road and bad roads and like this and more speedily, mono wheel is better than both of them. Especially in motion, Z8, V8, V10, V10F, or even 5D or V5F plus. This is so great in motions. This is better than all these 9 boats together. But I'm telling you the difference between them now. This one and off-road are better than this one. Ninebot Mini Pro is so tough on off-road, you know. When I take road by Ninebot Pro, especially here in Ukraine, garbage roads, okay? Garbage. It's not roads. All roads here are off-road. You know, here when you take off-road some broken beton or something, he take it so hard. I feel that this is train and my head shaking. But honestly, I try it in off-road. He's better than an off-road. When I take off-road, he's more smooth than him. This because here they add multization and they add stabilization. They add a lot of things that he is not so rough and tough like Pro. He's more soft. So in off-road, this one is better. But what is the nice thing in Pro that's not in Plus? That first of all, his stack that you can put out and you can carry him with you so easy. For example, I enter supermarkets, okay? I enter a lot of places. I cannot, now what I will do, I'm gonna carry my bag and ride home with me. Come on, come on. There is a lot of places I cannot ride. Listen guys, I'm gonna tell you something. Some train stations in America and Germany like this, they not allow you to ride the Ninebot. So I have to, or by remote, let him follow me, or carry my bag and catch him and walk with him like idiots. But in the Pro, the nice thing in the Pro that you can just walk with him beside you like this. You would just pick it and walk with him together. See, you can walk without carrying your bag, without anything. And this is nice. Okay, number 2. The Pro is better in what? That his stacks can adjust, you know. Here I can adjust the stack up and down. Here you don't have choice. It's short stack. And to be honest with you guys, I have long knees. And Pro, so hard for me to drive. I'm not comfortable. To be honest with you, riding Pro for turning and left and right with the stack, more comfortable than the Plus. Plus, he can walk with girl or man with short knees. You got me? Man with short knees. I'm gonna tell you. See, for example, I'm gonna show you something. Look, I don't know. I can't look. The knees here. See, here I can't turn. I can't turn right and left. It's hard for me. Look. This is what I'm telling you. It's for riding. This is so big mistake from Ninebot that they didn't make here holder. You should make for me holder. I can remove it and put camera or keep the holder, but don't make it for me just camera. What, I'm not living in the I'm not living 2020. That camera 360 everywhere. I am needed for riding, going to work, buy stuff, go to markets. A lot of places I cannot ride it in these places, so I have to just take him with me. You got me? Walk with him beside me. Honestly, this is nice point from Pro that you can adjust the stack. And this is 2 things. First of all, this one is more comfortable to ride. If you have short knees, put him down. If you have long knees or you are tall, put him up. This one today I was riding, I was going to fall down from him, I swear to God, because I have long knees and I couldn't reach turn right and left. I was about to out from him, fall down. This is bad point about the Plus. This is really bad point that I cannot adjust the stack and I cannot enjoy him. I can't enjoy riding, honestly. So to be honest with you guys, my channel, I'm always saying honest without anything, and no one give me anything for anything. No Ninebot, no any company in the world give me money. I don't give a fuck about anything. I say the truth. All this bullshit in motion is better. To be honest with you, mono wheel is better than all this. And mono wheel in motion, especially V8, V10, V10F, is better than all this. Learn how to ride mono wheel, and you're gonna stay away from all this. It's better in off-road, in speed, in comfortability, in turning right and left between people, cars. Ninebot is the best. This one is hard, especially in rush and like this. Anyway, guys, this was my opinion about. By the way, guys, they are same motor. They are 800 watt, 800 watt. Same motor, same angle climbing, 25, 25. But this one is more strong, little bit than Pro. I don't know why. Maybe you know why? Like what? Like BM M5 2008, BM M5 2009, or 2009 2010. They are same engine size, but this one is more speedy. This one in acceleration, in drag race. You can't understand. They are same V10 or V8, same 35 horsepower. I don't know how to count it by US or whatever. I counted by my way. But you found the BM, the 2009 is takeoff. She in drag race she win, she beat it, which is mean what? Which has been BM at technology of in the beginning of the car that she starts to take off more speedily. You got me? And this is what I think about also here. They are same 800 watt, both of them, but this one is more speedily. You know, tomorrow we're gonna make test speed, and I'm gonna tell you how's the difference between them. Stay with me. I'm gonna keep it in the same video together. I'm sure this one is 20 kilometer can reach, and this one is 18. I'm sure the Plus is gonna win. So guys, we're gonna make now test speed and we'll tell you.